Hi everyone, this is Hakeem-Habeeb. Welcome to my channel, TimeOut2create. I am trying to create a personalized happy birthday gift logo from a focal point for my son's birthday. I have actually cut the gift card holder out, as you can see from Temu. I got this from Temu, so I've cut it out, and I've got Amazon gift card there. So to personalize it, I just want to add this happy birthday, which I actually love. This SVG file is from Tonic Studios. You can go to their channel, to their website, and purchase. They are very inexpensive. Sometimes they do bundled as well. So I have actually bought these a while ago, and I've uploaded it onto my space. So to actually show you how I got to this, so if I go up there to my stuff there, you can see here I have actually used the ones before, which is over here. These are all my stuff over there. I've used it before there, and I've used, personalize it for my sister. So to actually arrive onto this, let me show you quickly how I got to that. Let's close this up. Let's go back to the canvas, and then if you go to upload there, okay, this is some of my SVG files. So as you can see, these are Tonic Studios, as you can see, and this is the happy birthday. So when you click on that, and then you go down to the bottom, say add to canvas, don't worry, it's still there whenever you want to use it, unless you delete it. As you can see, there is a bin there. If I click onto that will actually delete it completely, which means you have to upload it again. So once it's there, just leave it there, and then once you click on that, as you can see, it's highlighted the green around it. Come down to the add to canvas, click onto that, and voila, there it is on my canvas. All you have to do, it does give you options as well that you can purchase, and I'm sure some of these are actually from Maya as well. But if you want to purchase from some of these fonts, you can do, but I'm going to close that. Okay, and you've got this. So all you have to do, it's actually telling you that the correct line measurement is 8 inches. So when you double click onto that, and you've got your happy birthday, go up there and delete that, because you don't need it. Otherwise, when you come to cutting it, it's just going to be messing around and trying to cut this for you. But so when you go onto your right hand side up there, that is the bin. Okay, watch it disappear. Okay, it's gone into the bin, and that's it, it's gone forever. Okay, now I'm just going to rotate this. You can rotate it yourself, or you can go up there and rotate. There's rotate up there. There you can see there, rotate it. So this is how you can see the one I've already got. So that is the new one, have one there. So I actually don't need it, but what I've done, I've actually sort of slice the happy birthday away from there. As you can see there, I'm trying to create my own so it doesn't look like anybody else's. So this is how I've arrived into creating these, and I've personalized it with his name and his age there. So all I want to do now is add the offset to it, which we normally call the blackout, with like a shadow. So when I click onto that, I'm just going to highlight that. Okay, and then I will go up to offset up there. You see the drop down arrow there, so it comes to, this is what it's given me, but I want it to be a little bit smaller than that. So you just go up there, use the slider bar there, and because I want it to reduce, you can see it reducing there. Okay, I think this looks about right for me. See there? If you want to increase it, just use that bar and go and wait for it, and then you can see how that looks. That actually looks even better. If I want to add another shadow to it, all I have to do is apply. Once I've applied it, then that shadow actually will stay, and then you can go on and add more shadow to it if you wanted to offset. Okay, so if I don't want it to be that big, so I'm just gonna use that slider bar to go back again. You can see, I think that is perfect for me. So I'm just gonna add apply, and you see go dark. That is my shadow there, as you can see. So if I want to add another shadow to it, all I have to do is go back up there to the offset, use that up. As you can see, it's giving me another, you see the blue outline, that is another shadow added to it. So what I need to do now is apply. I don't have to use it, but I'm just showing you, you know, how far you can go with it. So add apply, and then you can go over there. You see where that is the colors, material color there, and if you click onto any color, you know, just to differentiate the two, you can see that one is grayish and one is black, but you can actually change it here. So let's go for red. Okay, as you can see the red there highlighted nicely. So if you wanted to, you can go on and on and on and on, but I think that is about right for me. And if you want to make it all smaller, all I have to do is reduce it there, or you can go up there, the width. If you want the width to be smaller, you need to unlock that. If you unlock it, and then you can slide, you know, you reduce it or increase that size, the width as you wish, or the height. But if you want both the height and the width to adjust simultaneously, all you have to do is close that, and then it will, both of them will work in unity for you. Both of them will reduce or increase. Okay, so here I am. So I can't actually see his name very well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this away, as you can see. Move that as well. Move this away. And then that one, I can change the color to, let's change that to maybe blue. And that's the blue there, and I can pop that there. They're all gonna cut individually with different colors. You don't actually have to change the colors. It all depends on the card that you put on your mat. So the colors doesn't actually sort of, it's just for your reference, for your own reference. When you get to the mat itself, you can change the color of the paper, the card that you wanted to use. You can use designer paper if you wanted to, so the choice is yours. So I'm going to change that as well to maybe blue as well, darker blue. See? and then it goes straight right back. As you can see, that's where the shadow, this will cut individually, and then when I arrange them, when coming to put them all together, that is going to be there like that. This is the other shadow which will be there. Okay, all right, and then my happy birthday is right there. You can see where the shadow is, right there, and I've got this will be sitting onto there. If I wanted to, I could have incorporated all that and make them all one by just welding. We'll come to that at a later stage, but in the meantime, this is what I wanted to show you and share with you. So until next time, I'm just gonna start cutting now, and then I'll show you the end product. So thanks for watching. Come back again next time. Hakeem-Habeeb signing out. Bye.